What's up, guys? I'm Vinny from Surfin Bird, and today I'm going to teach you how to do frontside 180. Alright, so now that you've got your ollies down, it's time to learn frontside 180s. Put your front foot like this, about 2 inches behind your bolts, your front bolts, and put your back foot on the tip of your tail, kind of like you do for an ollie, just a little bit farther back. Alright, so you're going to want to pop with your back foot and use your front foot to slide straight up while turning your legs and your shoulders around to do a full 180. So with all that, a frontside 180 should look something like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more trick tidbits and check out our video.